yanko lawyer Abraham Amaliba ena sabre enye chama wuntumi nko Ghana for dodo no an se nasem no kan ye na pagya eti e wo se wo pache wo lawyer mo akwaba do be kosi se adwumadie so boko lawyer Amaliba nanu wabra oba pani Charlotte se ni nsemi hyase no wo kan lawyer fo a chese mo hyase se mo kasa mo di nkyiremu eba ho na won kasa emu no ensem a wodi twudwa no baako ene e firi saada no Ghana fo dodo no ase da bi wanhwe ya be magya to Ghana eti pachew so be kase ye yi oba ni firi ho a ene ye gya beto Ghana lawyer Ghana fo so wonu mo jechew pacha ma wuntumi de no wode ato wi
nti oseme ya den
ne dodo no aka ne se pachew o chama wuntumi se pachew
na me yesesa asem no me na me kan yo ya bisame ena me ka se pi ewo omuta maame no ena omo wo echi a ya pese yi maame no na MPP ade a mo ye no and what is ade no chen ya muti maame no yakayaka no ena omo eta na chi se omo pese ye no film no ade a mo ye no omo de basa beba Ghana na basa ba Ghana wono host no te se wo a wo ye host wo bi sama asam wono host no ye ba hie na me so ye ba hie me hie afa me bi sawo wono no fie no ene me fie no e Ghana e fie mienu kwa na wo Ghana ha na se mo nsamtwerofo mu hu se ye na mu bi ye attack government ye criticize government na enye model na makochira ade amope na mo wi a na me ma ba na ma ba pacho
enti lawyer Amaliba
enam se me nam ho enam pacho nti de bia na makoka pacho
lawyer Amaliba na chesa wa nkansem no nsantwerefo na atwera hye wa no
se me ka se a share there burning me can I use the word burn and I make her say your house, that's the host, ne fear they will burn it. My house, they will burn it. Now say oko twisted my statement. I can say Ghana will burn now. Why should I go about apologizing? Yes, she appears to fear work Ghana no. So they should concentrate on fixing Nkrofu ewu. Ewo schools, yankola ewu. Among concentrating on that one and leave the woman to work. When and then say MPP. Now, omo appointed mamu. Na MPP. Omo the statement APA say omo court crampo to stop the president from doing that appointment. When and then say omo say what they no talk and okoje. And then me no ka say President Akufo-Addo appointing Nkrofu bebre ma me be so me say omo e no kwaje when I name say your friends petition no call Flagstaff House no na o man panyi tu kwan wo san baaye no a Nkrofu no o man tro omo di angu petition so no President Efre omo that they should come and correct it and put their names there and so they call Chief Justice Chan. Iti wenu mu nyina no edie enna enkyere se MPP ewo echi enna me ka se omo pese basa ba Ghana na basa ba Ghana ya ba hye wono post no abisa mo questions no ne fie enna me so me fie. So what should I apologize?
Lawyer
Litio
Efri da wode wano eto asemi mu na afe na ahyase process no edidimu a beto enne empempenso adure wode wani adi akire bi sai na uhu committee no adwuma a mo yefa Madam Charlotte say ehwehwemu a Chief Justice ate committee say wonyo no
Chef President quiet me impeach no I have no problem with ye dey no call ho no and I say she's appearing before I come me problem but fata say o share rules no mo fata say obi share committee a applications na yede to no so fata say yede sa allegations no be man no one the lawyers etimi atena ase ahwe sene omo so be ya me no ka say me nim say ndru ana say enne omo de ama no but mama yi pie abonte e ka say she wants the original of the petition and ni kwan say mama no be patch up and so be bitter say she needs a copy of the petition. It is a given. It is like the BI obia nim say e fata ahemfie krampo say o de opro ahemfie na ohen no ebe frewa o to sa e frewa ni messenger no wo ka kire messenger na ade kro na wo say wo mbra no o messenger e ba ofia o be ka kire wo say ohen ni ehia wo na say ni na wa boa wo ho ma ade that sure make a big deviator. It doesn't matter who becomes the chief for the electoral commissioner. Yet to me, the Rebecca Kufukwako Paul, Nagana MPPR, on the just like how Yanso, Yadi Shell to Spoye, Nagana for the Omon Yanko. So it's not about that. But the woman has certain rights that must be protected. And no, and let me say, I'm not talking about the committee to work, but before she even got to the committee, I don't know my man documents. No, at the first, now on him, or more petition, or more allegations, or new copy. Why? When it's basic, say, if you arm robbers, you have the court, your friends, the court, they are giving their charge sheet. Arm robbers, they know what their offenses and the allegations against them.
Lawyer, woni Professor Jampo be yadwen wabra wobeka se amanyofo no se mokoso se mode mano beto sa asemi mu na we yagina ha na we yagina ha mumwa committee no mumwa electoral commission mumma nhwehwe mu no enkoso ye eti munyina nchen ka wo se we ye lawyer ni nanso ka sa nyina mu ndisi na ade kure eti ka gina nchen man ka bi NDC MPP for so nko ma ntum na committee no nya na adwuma ne beba bia Ghana for nyintum mo be ne sa
sure it's about America say they didn't treat the woman well no nanka CDD epia bonte kaya I won't talk again nanka Professor Jampo ya wakasa opia bonte kaya I won't talk again nanka Professor Professor priest no one so eba bonte kaya I won't talk but those who are supposed to be talking are not talking mame no when you're Ghanaian my end treating a year if people are not talking we will talk. That's my principle. Catch you almost say it's going back to them. Say idea and fata, they should come out and talk about it. Because they don't want some of us to talk no. Then we'll be at the background. But say among kasa, say na and this time more kasa no, some of us will talk.
Na committee no eye adwuma no se mo tena nche fi se ne mo kan wugidi se na committee ne be fa ye adwuma committee ne ye adwuma eti ka munya din report no ba ne mahumu eno no asem no wo kan yo na se mo commentary sa mo ra ne fa ho no eno na committee ne be ye adwuma
am say won ti ase let me come close to you sure so you say you prisoner you do echo prisoner and chese ya mawons you and numbio because we are nipa inti ya say ya the Charlotte echo committee no and just say her right to receive the document that details the allegations no is no more relevant. Those are my points. I'm saying one tears here. It can happen to anybody. Those are my issues.
No ye ne wo ka se wo de bua ne mabisa wa wo kan yo na manyoku ahodo ne se ne wo gina nchen ya wo ka se eye MPP fo na hyase na MPP fo sese da bi mo NDC fo so ma ye spokesperson na mama me no sansam no amo keka no na eba se mo nkama no ntum na committee ne nye omadwuma na asement ase
ana we de what ase se bibi ye maame no na obia enkasa emfata